So if you think about the person who is at home with their family, tuning in, although I love all the stories of how people can tune in to worship with their pajamas on, making it a worshipful atmosphere was something that we wanted to do.
What is a faith corner, you might be asking? A faith corner is a special place in your home, wherever you feel appropriate, that you can dedicate to creating a focal point for when you worship as a family during Advent. Whether that's on Sunday morning watching the service or gathering around for your daily Advent devotions.
The candle had that unified symbol that we are all connected. So when they are in our worship, online worship, they will see that candle on our altar, where they will also see visibly in their faith corner. And the reason why we like the candle is because not only that it has a cross shape on the candle, but it also, being a candle, has a symbol of shining the light.
Is that it is not only that connection to to our congregation, but also it is that presence of Christ, presence of the Holy Spirit.